Hi, my name is Patrick Jamison, and in this video we're going to install the sliding glass door mainframe. We're going to set the panels, add the handles, and adjust the keepers. The frame is assembled, so let's begin. Now we're going to grab the main frame at the head, lift up. Bigger mainframe is going to require 2 people. Your mainframe is going to be pre-drilled with the holes where your fasteners are going to go. You're going to have to use your masonry bit, drill your holes first. Now you're going to run your masonry fasteners into the hole of the mainframe. A hammer drill would be more suited for drilling the holes into the block. Using our impact gun, we're going to be using our masonry fasteners and fastening the frame to the block. Keep in mind to use the appropriate shims in between the frame and the block. After the hole has been drilled down in your track, go ahead and fill that hole with sealant. Run your fastener into the tube of the sealant, and then fasten your fastener down into the block. Once the fastener is down inside the hole of the frame, top it off with a little bit of sealant. Always remember to double check your jurisdiction if they want to see the head of the fasteners before you cap it off. After all the fasteners are installed, make sure your track is leveled and pitched. Ensure you have a nice continuous bead of sealant on the outer perimeter of your mainframe track. On the side of the sliding glass door panels, you're going to have your shipping labels. This is going to say panel 1, this one says panel 2. From outside looking in, starting with the left, this would be the first panel. And then the panel on the right would be panel 2. Now it's time to cut the bandings off. When the panels are shipped to you, your rollers are going to be at the top of the panels. So we need to turn the panel around so the rollers are on the bottom. These holes at the bottom of your panel are going to always face the exterior. To insert this sliding glass door panel, we're going to insert the head of the panel into the header of the frame first, and then the bottom of the panel is going to pivot and set on top of the track. This hole here needs to be directly underneath the header blocks of the main frame. Now we're at the second sliding glass door panel. I'm going to take this cover off so it does not get damaged. In order to adjust the sliding glass door panels, you're going to need a number 3 screwdriver in order to raise and lower the rollers. Keep in mind, you have to take the weight off this panel before adjusting the roller. Now we're ready to install the hardware. We have our handles, and from this bag, we're going to grab the longer screws. On our sliding glass door, we have recessed handles for the exterior. So on the inside, we have our raised handle with the latch. Keep in mind, we're using the longer screws to assemble this door handle. Here's our latch that's going to get inserted into the mortise. To ensure the lock works, we're going to push the anti-slam pin in. Now we're going to install our keeper. There's our 2 keepers, and inside the bag, we're going to find the screws for the keeper. We're going to take the keeper and latch it into our dual mortise lock. Once the keeper's latched onto the lock, we can now take a measurement from the track to the bottom of this keeper and apply that to the jamb. Now the keeper is going to insert into the track. So now we're installing the keeper to the jamb. We've pre-drilled our holes for our stainless steel fasteners. Here's our box screen tracks. This is going to go to the bottom. So the two outside pieces are going to be for our jambs, and the middle piece is going to go into the head of the main frame. Here's the bottom screen rail for the box screen. This lip is going to get inserted into the bottom track. It is now fully inserted into the bottom track. This is the first side rail for the box screen. This lip is going to get inserted into the jamb of the main frame. Keep in mind the bottom rail, your two side rails, and the top rail has to be fastened in your substrate. Once your rails are all fastened into the substrate, we can now unpackage the box screen. We're going to insert the box screen like we did with the glass panels. The top of the screen is going to go into the header first. And now we're going to pivot the bottom of the box screen. In order to adjust the box screen rollers, you're going to insert your screwdriver into the side of the box screen and turn it clockwise. You're going to do both sides. When finished, make sure your screen rolls smoothly. Now it's time to install the box screen keeper. And there's the two panhead tech screws that we're going to use. Just like the Sunglass door keeper, you're going to do the same thing to the box screen keeper. Insert the keeper into the box screen, lock it, and get that measurement from the bottom track up to the keeper and apply that to the side rail. So to recap, in this video, we installed our sliding glass door mainframe. We set the panels, we added the handles, and adjusted keepers as needed. In the next video, we'll make the final adjustments to the door.